cold never bothered me anyway.
Hello, we are the Gaelhawks. As the Shelton High School robotics team, we use science, technology, engineering, and math on a daily basis to build robots.
Today, we are coming to you from Antarctica to talk about freezing rates.
So, what is a freezing rate?
Well, first, we need to know what a solid and a liquid is.
A liquid is something that can change its shape depending on what it's put in. Some liquids are water, juice, milk, and honey. A solid is something that can't change its shape. Some solids are your computer, books, ice, apples, and pillows.
So now that we know what a solid and a liquid is, we can talk about freezing rates. A freezing rate is how much time a liquid takes to turn into a solid. Water freezes quicker than lemonade, so it has a shorter freezing rate. But why do liquids turn into solids?
Well, when liquids get super cold, their tiny molecules slow down and they turn into a solid. The temperature this happens at is the freezing point. Water's freezing point is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, which is why ponds freeze in the winter.
And that's the science behind freezing. Now we have a challenge for you. The challenge is to make a hypothesis, which is a prediction of whether hot or cold water will freeze faster. Make sure you use what you just learned about freezing rates to make your hypothesis.
Then, you can actually test it by taking 2 cups, filling one with hot water and one with cold water, leaving them in the freezer, and checking up on them every 30 minutes to see which one is freezing faster. To do this challenge, all you need is hot and cold water, some plastic cups, or an ice tray, and your freezer.
Fill up this glass of water. Then put it in the fridge for 1 hour. Take a second glass and fill it with water. Then, put this glass in the microwave for 1 minute. Make sure you have an adult help you operate the microwave. Take 2 plastic cups and label them cold and hot. Please use a Sharpie or marker to do this. Otherwise, you can use 2 ice trays for this next step. After the hour has passed, please remove the cold water from the refrigerator. Take the plastic cup labeled cold and pour the cold water in the plastic cup 2/3 of the way. Then, remove the hot water from the microwave. Please have a parent help you remove the hot water. Take the hot water and the plastic cup labeled hot. Fill the plastic cup 2/3 of the way with hot water. Again, please have a parent help you with this step. Finally, open your freezer and put the 2 cups into the freezer. Please be careful while doing this step so that nothing spills. Check back on the water every 15 to 20 minutes to see the progress of the water. Look to see which one is freezing the fastest. Let us know what you find out.
The bonus challenge is to make another hypothesis of whether juice, milk, or water will freeze faster. Then you can do the same test, but instead use juice, milk, and water instead of hot and cold water.
We want to see your progress throughout this whole challenge. Keep us updated by posting to Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, and then tag us using the hashtag Gaelhawks STEM Challenge.
Each month, we will do a special shout out on these platforms and in our Gaelhawks video. This month's shout out goes to all of our amazing teachers. The usernames to tag us are in the description.
Get ready to stem it up.
Stem it up.